Alter! Ich hau dir so auf die Fresse, Junge, verpiss dich! Was ist los? Hau ab, Alter!
Was willst du denn von mir?
Hau ab! Hau ab, Alter! 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 Ich hau dir so auf die Fresse,
Ja,
Junge, verpiss dich!
Ha?
Hau ab, Mann! Hau ab!
Den Kampfsport ausgebildet.
Ja, ich auch!
Ja, das ist doch gut.
Hau ab jetzt!
Ich hau gar nicht ab.
Fahr weiter!
Das ist doch nicht schlimm.
Ja, fahr ich halt weiter.
Hör mal, das Problem ist, ich habe überhaupt kein Problem damit, dass du Gas gibst. Ne? Aber nicht vor andere Leute.
Oh, jetzt bist du dran, Alter. Was war das?
Keine Ahnung.
Wolltest du mich hier erwürgen oder was?
Ich weiß nicht, was das war.
Verpiss dich!
Ich verpiss mich nicht.
Fahr weiter!
Du gefährdest Leben von anderen.
Fahr weiter!
Ne?
Los! Hier! Hey! Hier! Guck mal! YouTube! Get off your phone when you're driving. You're on camera. I got on camera, I seen you going past the garage. Seen you looking down like this.
Put it on then. If I wouldn't have my phone, mate.
I seen you looking down at your phone,
Put
mate.
it on there. If you film me, put it on.
I would, but I'm not going to stop recording.
Put it on. If you're accusing me of filming.
I'm not accusing you, I fucking seen you, mate.
Well,
Don't
you can
fucking
tell
lie to me.
Yeah,
Don't treat me like a fucking mug.
Well, put it on then.
I fucking seen you.
Put it on. Get the fucking police and put it on.
Get the police.
If
Fuck
you
off.
said I was on my phone, show
Telling you
me.
to get off your fucking phone, you idiot.
I wasn't on my phone. I can fucking show you like you fucking dopey cunt.
Show me what? This?
What? That I'm not ringing anyone. It's
I
in
seen
my
you looking
pocket,
at- I seen you looking at your
Well,
phone, you
show
fucking
me. You've got a
bellend.
fuck-
Fucking get on my face.
Get up, yeah.
Come near me again, I'll knock your fucking teeth out. Yeah, of course. No.
Are you going in the store?
Yes, please.
Yeah, there you go, thank you.
Cheers, mate. Fucking bellend. Profile. Ooh, we don't do baskets, no, do we? I will knock your fucking teeth out, you try that again.
Go on, do it.
Get in my face, I fucking dare you. Fucking pussy. Bellend. Pussy. Pussy. Yeah, straight into me. Sorry, I'll knock his fucking head off if he tries that again. So much for social distancing, eh? They don't want that on the headline in the newspapers. 2 key workers fighting in bloody Tesco's, do they? Good, right? Is that right?
Try not to fight the world now.
I'm parked next to him, we might see. We'll see. See you boys. Stay off your phone, you fucking dick. Okay, where are you working then? Where are you working? Well, we both know we're key workers and I've got to shoot off to work. Yes, and I will. I'm fucking telling you. Listen, shut your mouth a second. If I've got it on camera, I will bring it.
Bring it, go on then.
I will, yes. If I fucking captured it.
My phone was in my pocket, you fucking
fuck off. Shut up, you nonce. Fucking bellend.
Dat spelen ingen rol. Nee, exact. Die stoppen. Next te gongen, die stoppen. Inge Mongol. Die stoppen, next te gongen. Wat wil u? Die stoppen. Die stoppen, want er wordt voor Die stoppen. Die stoppen. Wat zit je te wachten? Zie dat wat voor nee, dus oh, hier, Inge registration.
Overal.
Waarvoor? Politie.
Jaha.